Hello everyone, today I will show how to solve the common problem of defocus. Okay, so what is this? Most of the time, if you make defocus on the CGI 3D render, this problem will appear. So that is the edges and the corner are blurry. Okay, without saying anything, let's get started. Okay, drop your footage and add the defocus node and then let's adjust the slider a little bit. After you finish, you will notice the corner are getting blurry. This is because of your mid channel. Okay, so let's see the mid channel only. The corner of the mid channel are like very sharp, and so you need to expand a little bit more. To solve this, at the shuffle node, change the input layer to the mist and then connect with the RGB channel at erode node and at invert node to invert the channel, and then change the channel type to RGBA. Increase the erode node a little bit more. After that, at the shuffle node, connect A input RGBA to B output mist channel. Connect red channel to the mist. You can also check mist channel if you want to make sure again. Okay, and then let's make defocus again. After that, you will see the problem. But if we open the node that we expand the mist channel, the problem is solved. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button for more videos.